guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today's video is going to be my monthly favorites, things I've been loving. These kind of videos have quickly become one of my favorites because I get to catch up with y'all and tell y'all all the things that aren't from Amazon that I've been loving. Today I have so many fun stuff to talk about, so I can't wait to get started. I'll try to link everything down below. I also make this video every single month, so if you're new here and you want to watch more, definitely do. I make Amazon videos and a ton of fun stuff, so you should definitely subscribe. Today's video is also sponsored by PinchMe. I cannot wait to tell you guys about them, so thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. They'll be linked down below, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, I'm sorry about the noise, but I had to show y'all my little egg chair. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this all over Instagram. Target had a really popular one. It is $500. It is way better quality, but this one was only $297 at Walmart, so I'll link both down below. It's not perfect, but it's so comfy, and honestly I just can't justify the $500, so just have this one. I have it in my balcony and it's so cozy, so this is definitely a big favorite, but I think it's out of stock right now or ready for pre-order. It told me it was gonna take like 2 weeks to get here. It got here the next day, so definitely order it online because I checked like 5 stores and I couldn't find it, but it is totally worth the hype. I am so excited to tell you guys about today's sponsor because it is actually completely free. So it is PinchMe. PinchMe sponsoring today's video, and they are a service for samples. So they send samples to people in exchange for feedback and reviews about the product. So you get anything from household goods to pet stuff to food to makeup to skincare. They have so many awesome items, and you get a little box like this in the mail. Sign up for free down below, and then you complete like a questionnaire about yourself and you keep it up to date, and that way you can receive free samples in the mail. So their samples go out once a month on Sample Tuesday, and you get so many fun new goodies in the mail. So let me show you what I got in my little box. This is so exciting. It's like Christmas, so I got so many different things. This is some band-aids that are waterproof. That is absolutely perfect for the summer. I got a bunch of these little samples by Moroccan Oil. I got another one right here. CBD soft gels. This is super cool. Y'all know I'm all about CBD. Some extra virgin olive oil. Oh my god, that is perfect for like carrying on the go. I got the Neocell Super Collagen Unflavored. I got a few of those little packs. I freaking love powdered collagen. I always add it to my smoothies. This is so exciting. I got an Essie nail polish. This is so pretty. It is called the Expressi, and they are quick dry nail polishes, so this would be perfect for my toes. The Inky List Hyaluronic Acid. This is great for moisture. I have extremely dry skin. This I'm super excited about because I've been looking for one of these little like stuff to like put sauces on meat for the barbecue for a while. I'm so excited I have this now. Also extremely excited about this. I know this is super pricey at Sephora. These are the Dr. Dennis Gross Extra Strength Daily Peel Pads. I cannot wait to try this. Then I really like this brand, Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. Perfect little sample size for the summer, and this will last you a while. This is a type A deodorant. I've actually tried this before and I love it, so I'm glad I have another one. Lastly, in here we have Blistix. It is a moisture revitalizing lip protectant with sunscreen. That is everything. Let me see if I didn't miss anything. That was everything in my little box that I got absolutely free. Definitely sign up using the link down below. This is extremely exciting and like Christmas, so definitely check it out. It is completely free, like I said. You won't regret it. Okay, moving on to my favorite goodies. I have to talk to y'all about this because I feel like this has become like my coffee corner. I update y'all every single month on my coffee, and when I saw that this was out, I ran to H-E-B to get it. This is the Ready Whip Barista Sweet Foam. So if you've ever gotten the Starbucks like cold foams that are so good, this is not healthy by any means, but they're so delicious. I can't stress that enough. I got this at H-E-B, like I said. I've seen them. I haven't seen them at Target, but I've seen them at Kroger, so if that helps. Not healthy. This is straight up like kind of whipped cream, but it tastes So good. I pour my cold brew, the one I showed y'all last month, so go watch that video. And then I add a little bit of this and it tastes like magic. And if you want it to really taste like Starbucks, I add like a little bit of salt, and you can do some caramel and it will taste like the salty caramel cold brew thing. Ugh, so good. So it's totally worth the hype. I've been seeing it all over TikTok. Try it out. Y'all, look at my lashes, okay? These are fake lashes and they look so good. If you know me, if you know anything about me, I literally struggle to put strip lashes on all the time. I've tried magnetic lashes, I've tried the eyeliner one. These are my all-time favorite fake lash find. So I got these at Walmart, and they are the Kiss Falscara lashes, and they are individual little lashes. That's what they look like. And then they come with this little glue. So you have a bond, which is the glue, and then you have a sealer, which like makes them stay in place. I wore these all last night. They stayed in place so well. They look super natural because they go under your lash instead of on top. Incredible. This was a little pricey. It was $18 for the kit, but it came with everything. It came with the glue, the lashes, and then this little tool that is always helpful to have. I am completely in love with this. I am never doing my lashes any other way again. I think they sell different styles, but I really like how natural, wispy, and like beautiful. It almost looks like lash extensions. This one is. Let me zoom you in a little bit. Look at that, y'all. And honestly, this is only my second try, and you can reuse them and rewash them. It was a little hard to get the glue off my natural lashes yesterday, but besides that, I think these are a game changer. TJ Maxx has been killing it. I literally am about to post a whole video at TJ Maxx haul. So I really needed a new perfume. I was using the YSL Libre. Oh my god, you would think I wouldn't know how to speak Spanish. Libre, which means free in Spanish, and it smelled really good, but it was definitely really expensive. So I went to TJ Maxx to get any perfume, and I found the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume for really inexpensive. I believe it was like $50, and it's a pretty good size bottle. It's absolutely beautiful. It smells really nice and fresh, and I've been loving it. I think it's a perfect summer scent. I really like muskier, more like warm scents for the fall and the winter, but for summer I like either really sweet or really floral, and I think this one is a great combo of both. I haven't really seen it since. I've been a couple of times to see if I could find more, but definitely check your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls. You can also buy this at Sephora, of course. Walmart has been one of my favorite things lately, and I got these super fun neon Birkenstock dupes, whatever you want to call them. They're just sandals. I just had to get them. I mean, the color is just so beautiful. I have some from Amazon that were like $15 to $17. They were white. They got pretty dirty. These are only $7 at Walmart. So I got them in person, but I'm sure you could get them online. I'll link them. I got the one that was like 7-8, and I honestly wish I would have gotten a size down. I'm a size 7 on shoes, but these are just like a little too big, like that much. So I don't know, maybe size down, but these are so fun. They come in different colors, and they are the best pool shoes for the summer and for the beach and just in general. Like I said, TJ Maxx has been killing it. This is one of my favorite skincare brands, and I've been using it for I think a year now, and I completely ran out of all the products I had, and then I went to Marshall's the other day and I found this baby. This is one of my favorite moisturizers of all time. This is incredibly expensive, and I found it for $29. If I would have found another one, I would have bought it, honestly. It is the best moisturizer. It is so creamy and thick, but it doesn't feel like it's sitting on top of your skin. It's really quick absorbing. So since I love that brand so much, I also love their cleansing balm. Their stuff is just so good. I decided to get this Eve Lom SPF. So this is a daily protection SPF 50 for your face, and I'm gonna say something real bad and I'm so sorry. I don't wear sunscreen as much as I should, and it's so bad, and I know I should, and I feel like my skin would look so much better if I did. So I've been applying this on top of my moisturizer every single day, and it hasn't broken me out. I think that's why I've been like a little scared and hesitant to try sunscreen, but this one has been really good. Once again, found it at Marshall's for like $29. I know you can get it for like a little bit more than that at other stores, but if you're looking for like a nice quality SPF, this brand is just it. Also from Walmart, I decided to give a new self-tanner brand a try, and y'all, these are so good. So I got this one, which is called Be Tan Forever, and if you get these off Amazon, they are incredibly overpriced. I think they're like $20. At Walmart online, they're $9, maybe $7, I don't know. So this one is supposed to be a long-lasting self-tanner, and I totally see that. It is a great color, and it really did last at least 7 days, which is a lot for my self-tanning purposes, because I literally shower with like super hot water every single day. So this one was really good. I really like that one. And then ooh, I got this one. This one is called Tanned AF, which is so witty and cute, and this one is the darkest self tanner. This one is supposed to be a 1 hour express one. I left it on overnight. It looked really good and natural still, but I look so tan. I definitely need to do it again, but you can see some of the remainder tanning that I did like earlier last week. But love these. I definitely think this brand is really great, really affordable. They have so many different tanning options, color options. I think they are my new favorite self tanner for sure. I think these are really comparable to Loving Tan. I think these are it. I wouldn't really compare them to Saint Tropez. I think Saint Tropez is way more orange, and then the other one, the Bondi Sands, I think it's a little more olive tone. This one is like right in the middle. So if you're looking for a new self tanner for the summer, these at Walmart, go for it. I got a new foundation. It was about dang time. I went to Ulta and I did kind of like a big little haul of things I really needed. A big little haul. I don't know. I needed new stuff. I needed a new foundation, so I decided to give this one a try. Kathleen Lights always mentions it. This is by L'Oreal, and it's the infallible, what are you called? 24-hour fresh wear foundation. Broad spectrum SPF 25. I really like when foundations have a SPF. I think that's just like great, but this one is such a nice consistency, such a nice coverage. I'm wearing it right now. It doesn't look cakey at all. I got the shade 435, I think Rose something, I don't know what this is called, Rose Vanilla, and it was $14, which, you know, it's pretty up there in price, but I love this so darn much. I think it's a great foundation, very natural. Like, it's just, the name says it, fresh wear. I feel like I'm looking very fresh, very my skin like, except for my clownish bronzer and blush. But you know, we all know I'm not good at makeup. But if you're looking for a really nice, good quality foundation from the drugstore, this one is so good. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to sign up for PinchMe. Like I said, it is completely free, and I think it's like such a nice little gift every month. I think it's so fun. So definitely check it out down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I'm sending y'all a big hug, and I will talk to you guys in my next video very soon.